What is up, Flomies? I'm Julianna, and today I'm here to teach you how to do the 3-beat color switch, which looks like this. The 3-beat color switch is one of my favorite moves. So to start, just to get the Flowstar going, you can do a reverse vertical 8 and then just flick it up in the air. Because when you do that, you're gonna be grabbing it with the opposite arm on the inside. And so I'm gonna go like this, and then I'm gonna bring the Flowstar down. And then when I bring it down, I'm gonna let the Flowstar drop and open up. And that momentum should be able to be going fast enough where you can use that drop to pop it back up and go 1, 2. So we're gonna grab it from the inside, drop it, let it open up, 1, 2. So again, we're gonna catch it from the inside, drop, let it drop. And so my hand is gonna look like this with my palm facing, and then it's just gonna drop like this, and then I go 1, 2. So this is a 3-beat color switch. So we're going 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna turn around just so you can see what my wrist is doing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And that is how you do the 3-beat color switch. If you liked today's tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us for more. Happy flowing!